When I am called to duty, God, wherever flames may rage, give me the strength to save some life, whatever be the age. Help me embrace a little child before it is too late, or save an older person from the horror of that fate. Enable me to be alert and hear the weakest shout, and quickly and efficiently to put the fire out. I want to feel my calling and to give the best in me, to guard my every neighbor and protect his property. And if according to your will I have to give my life, please bless with your protecting hand my children and my wife.